Hi everyone. Today I will discuss about topic that do you know any natural disaster? Natural disaster is the big event that happens suddenly. It comes from natural like the weather or the earth moving. So it's not caused by people. For example, I want to talk about earthquake. Our planet Earth is always changing, so the ground under us sometimes moves. The ground is made of big pieces like a puzzle. We call this piece is tectonic place. Usually the usually they move very slowly, but sometimes they move fast and suddenly and boom, the ground shakes. This is the process of how an earthquake forms. Moreover, the weather can also cause disasters. Sometimes it rains too much, rivers get too full and water goes everywhere. This is a flood. Or the opposite can happen. Sometimes there is no rain for a very long time. The land gets very dry. This is called a drought. And sometimes there are big storms with very strong winds and lots of rain, like hurricanes or typhoons. Okay, so next I will give some solution to reduce the impact of natural disaster. First, I think we should improve early warning system. The government should invest in modern technology like satellite and weather radar to predict and watch natural disaster earlier. Besides, the government needs to make sure warning to people through apps, loudspeakers, social media, and mass text message. Next is they can improve in infrastructure. This means that they can build houses and buildings that can endure earthquakes, floods, and storms by using good design, strong materials, and the right methods. That's all I want to say today. Thanks for watching.